Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Refinable aka Fine. So what you want to do first, make sure you're on your PC and you are on Google Chrome. That is a must. You have to use Google Chrome. Then go to contracts and copy the address. So this is using the Binance Smart Chain. So now what you want to do, you want to go to metamask.io/download over here and download MetaMask for your Chrome browser. Once you hit the button, it will bring you over to this where you can install it on Chrome. Once you've done that, go to the top right under extensions and find it. MetaMask is right here. So now it is on the main network, but we have to add a network called the Binance Smart Chain manually. So go ahead and hit advanced RPC, for me it's in Dutch, and then the network name will be Binance Smart Chain. RPC URL is this, and make sure it is exactly this, and I'll put everything on here in the link or just in the description. So all the information here, you can find it in the description. Chain 56, BNB, and BSC scan is the block explorer. So I can't add this because I've already done this, but just hit save, then go to main network and change it to Binance Smart Chain. So there we go. Now it will look like this. Then copy your account, go to BSC scan. So this is Binance Smart Chain Scan Explorer. Paste it in, and here you can see all the information right here. Copy it again, and now we are going to add funds to our MetaMask. So by default now, there is nothing on there, so 0 BNB. So for that, we want to go to Binance, and if you don't have a Binance account, go ahead and sign up through the link in the description to get a bonus. Wallet, fiat and spot right there, and then go to BNB, hit withdraw, and we are going to send it into that address. So recipient address is this, that's what we just copied. Transfer network is the smart chain, that's very important, and the amount is 1000, just as an example. Just do anything you want. Then I don't have enough balance, so I can do it, but just enter an amount you think will be okay. Hit submit, and then it will be added to your MetaMask within seconds. So once you've done that and you have added the BNB on this, you want to go to a website called PancakeSwap. And we are going to be using PancakeSwap to transfer the BNB into the Refinable aka Fine. So first go ahead, once you're on the website, hit connect, MetaMask, and there we go. Now we're connected. Go to trade, exchange, and then we can change it from BNB to select a currency. So let's do 100, for example. Now go back to the CoinMarketCap, copy this link or address, go to select currency, paste it in, and there it is, Fine, found by address, add, and as you can see, now we can buy the fines. So I can do it because I don't have balance, but if you do, just hit buy. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.